Traveling to London in 2025 and want to pay easily using Revolut? You're in the right place. Here's a quick and complete guide to help you use Revolut like a local. Step 1. Make sure your Revolut card is active. Before your trip, open the Revolut app and check if your card, virtual or physical, is active and funded. Step 2. Enable international payments. Go to Cards in the app, select your card, and make sure international payments are enabled. This will let you use it in the UK. Step 3. Add GBP to your wallet. In the app, tap Exchange, choose your local currency, and convert some to British pounds, GBP. This gives you better control of your spending and exchange rates. Step 4. Tap to pay. In London, most shops, restaurants, and even public transport accept contactless payments. Just tap your Revolut card or use Apple Pay or Google Pay linked to your account. Step 5. Monitor your spending. Revolut tracks every transaction in real time. You'll get instant notifications and can set limits or freeze your card if needed. Bonus tip. Use the Revolut app to find ATMs with no extra fees. And remember, some places may still ask for chip and PIN, so carry your physical card just in case. And that's it. You're ready to spend smart in London using Revolut.